Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I wanted to do a project share, but I guess it's going to be a little bit of a craft with me. I had purchased these little holiday make it yourself DIY kits from Hobby Lobby, and it was supposed to be for our Christmas party, but apparently I forgot to put them out for our Christmas party. And it's just these little Christmas crafts from Hobby Lobby. And these kits make 24 in each set. The other one is the gingerbread house. So it's two kits. So one kit makes the little gingerbread kids. There's a girl and a boy. And then the other makes the little gingerbread houses. I put a few of them together just to see if I would like it on a card. I'm going to use these on these card sets or pre-made bases. I believe I got these a long time ago from, I want to say Michaels, but this was so long ago. And they're just the heavy card stock. This is a value pack. Back then it was 40 envelopes and 40 cards. And what I did with my envelopes, back when I used to love to stamp, I pre-stamped the envelopes with some of the winter stamp sets that I had, or Christmas stamp sets. And some of them have the little outline of the block. But these are just a few. There's a little reindeer, there's a candle. And I still do have these stamps, but I believe my inks are all, you know, done and gone. But those are just the envelopes. And then the bases I have are just blank. Okay? And all I'm going to do, I'm probably going to put you on time lapse. I'm just going to take a few of these cards and fold them up and see how I like them. And go with that, because I want to use those kits and make sure that it doesn't just go to waste, you know. So I'm going to put you on time lapse and see what I come up with. All right.